everybody. So today I might do ASMR stuff, but I'm thinking about doing the top 5 reasons to not flop 5 things not to do in class. But should I show you how to make oobleck? I'm gonna show you guys how to make oobleck. So yeah, let's go to the kitchen. Instead of that, I'm going to show you guys how to cure hiccups. Things we'll need is a big glass of water, the straw, and your hands. Very simple. You're going to take the straw and the water. This will not work with any other liquids. We'll fill the straw. So take the straw, put it in your mouth, and then you're going to clog your ears with your thumbs, and then press your nose together like this. And then you're going to stir up the water, so it goes like this. And don't forget to slip all of the water. Okay, I'm all done slipping my water. So yeah, I love you guys so much. I hope you guys enjoyed. Give this video a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. The reason I'm talking so fast is my camera's space is about to run out. I can show you bloopers, but I think that's not possible. But again, click that like button and please suggest things you want me to do. I can do stuff on printers as long as they're not that hard. I'll show you guys the bloopers. Love you. Bye. Hey guys, so it was my it's so dark. Wait, that just made it darker. It was somebody's birthday and they had a cake. I love you guys so much. Please like and subscribe. Suggest videos for me to do. And I'll see you guys later. Bye. I love you.